Boys, in GK in the last class we had done animals and their young ones. Now today we do animals and their home, where they live. Like we live in a house. Now let's see where the animals live, what we call their homes. Now the first one is dog. The home we call it a kennel. Okay, so dog, you can build, when you have a pet dog at home, they build kennels like this where the dog stays. So dog, home, kennel. Next one, pig. Where does it live? Home, you call it a sty, pig sty. And usually in villages, in our area, a pig sty is like this. Okay, but when you in a farm where they have many pigs kept, it is made like this. See, different compartment and the pigs are kept in it. So pig sty. Next one, lion, home, we call it a den. Now this lion is in the jungle. Okay, so the lion usually makes its den in a cave. Okay, and if the lion is in a zoo or somewhere, they built a cave like this with rocks. So lion, den. Hen, we call it a coop. Okay, if they put wires all around it like a house sort of, they make a coop for the hen. So hen, coop. Next one, tiger, again den. Okay, so this is a tiger in the wild, in the jungle. You can see the jungle all around. There's a cave. So the tiger has its den there. Over here, this tiger is in a zoo. So they have built a kind of cave for it. Okay, so tiger, den. Next one, horse, stable. Now, usually the horses are kept in a fenced area like this, okay, stable, and this is a proper stable. You know, horses are used for horse riding, where many horses are kept. So they have a stable like this, where each and every horse is kept in different compartments, separate, okay. So a horse, stable. Next one, rabbit, burrow or hutch. Now in the wild, the rabbit has a burrow like this, hole. They have a hole here. Now this is the cross section shown. When you see inside, see, the hole has many tunnels like this. This is if in case the rabbit is attacked, another animal attacks it, they can run away from any of the holes, okay? So rabbit lives in a burrow. Now at home, if we have pet rabbits we call it a hutch. Okay, the place is enclosed with wire, and you make holes for them where the rabbit can live. So rabbit, burrow, hutch. Spider. Spider's house, you call it a web. Okay, it spins its own web. Okay, see, it spins its own web, and this web is its home, and it's also used to catch insects. So when an insect comes and sits on the web, it gets stuck over there. So at once the spider comes to know, and it spins the insect in its own web and hangs it there to eat later. So spider, web. Next, snake lives in a hole. Hole in the ground. So the home of a snake, we call it hole. Next one, bee, hive. Now usually when we keep bees, hives are built like this. Okay, these have different compartments where the honey is gathered from here. Okay, and this is the hive of a bee in the wild, in the jungle. They have a huge ball like this. See, it's all bees have formed this hive. Okay, so bee, hive. Rat, again in a hole. In the jungle, you find rats living in the hole. So rat, hole. Next, cow, shed. Okay, in our areas we keep cows like this in sheds, okay, and again in farms where they do dairy production, where they take out milk, curd and all these things, they have many cows, so they are kept in sheds like this, okay. So cow, shed. Goat, pen. Again I showed it our local, we keep our goats like this, okay, in the pen, and again when it is in a huge number, they have pens like this, where they keep a number of goats together. Bird, nest. Now this is a common nest we see of birds. Okay, bird, the nest built on the tree, and the chicks are there. And this is the nest of a weaver bird. Okay, this bird is called a weaver bird. It builds, it weaves the nest like this. See, beautiful, and you see them hanging from trees. Okay, so bird, nest. Fish lives in the water. Big fishes, you find them in seas and oceans. Okay, and these are other fishes which you find in the rivers. Okay, so fish, water. Next we have wasp, lives in a nest. Okay, the sting of this wasp is very, very painful. They build their own nest like this. In houses you must have seen in corners, you see this. Okay, the nest of a wasp, and this is another kind of wasp which builds its nest like this. So wasp, home, nest. Ant also, we call it a nest. And the ant can build its nest in the tree trunk also. Okay? And in Australia, you find huge towers like this. This is an ant nest. Okay? The ant, as it goes, digs deeper inside the soil, it takes out the mud. And later on, huge formations like this are formed. You call it an ant nest. Now the ant nest inside looks like this. There are so many ants. You have worker ants, you have soldier ants, you have the queen ant also. So inside they have tunnels like this for different, where they lay eggs, where they keep their food for later on. So inside an ant nest, it looks something like this. So children, this is what we are doing today, animal and their homes. And very shortly I'll be sending you a PDF. Thank you.